There is nothing quite so useless as doing with great efficiency something that should not be done at all. If you're over 50, still grinding 9 to 5, burning out in meetings, emails, and endless tasks, ask yourself why. The world has changed. AI isn't just for tech geeks or teenagers, it's a power tool for smart people tired of wasting time. You've earned the right to work less and live smarter. Let AI do the busy work. Start now at dbimmerreliefnett.com and stop doing what no longer needs to be done.